On today's menu, an easy and delicious recipe to really spice things up. A beautiful and extraordinary spicy garlic ramen. 你好嘛, that's it's going in Cantonese. Welcome to Young Man Cooking, I'm Yeung. With a little prep done, this ramen recipe is going to be one of the quickest, most delicious ever. Of course, there are a million different ways of making ramen. This is simply just one way. Let's begin. Preheat the oven to 400. One of my favorite mushrooms is the king oyster mushroom. So delicious and robust in texture, this is going to make an excellent topping on that ramen. Shred a large king oyster mushroom by clawing at it with a fork. This creates a unique texture and a nice visual appeal. In this episode, I'm making a ramen just for myself, but of course you can multiply the recipe to make more if you like. Place the shredded mushroom into a mixing bowl. This umami powder was made in the previous episode. Totally optional, but highly recommended. If you can't make this at home, simply salt and pepper will do fine. But I will leave a link in the description box below to show you how easy it is to make this at home. 1 teaspoon umami powder. Half teaspoon smoked paprika. About a teaspoon of avocado oil. Mix to coat. Transfer the mushrooms onto a baking tray lined with parchment paper. Spread out the mushrooms so that they cook evenly. Bake in the oven for about 20 minutes. Bring a pot of water to boil for the noodles. This is like a quick Chinese style chili paste. If made ahead of time, this will save a lot of effort when you actually go to make the bowl of ramen. This chili paste is actually found in the first cookbook, Vegan Ramen. There's also a shorts video that I filmed to show you how to make this really easily at home that I'll leave in the link in the description box below. Small saucepan. 1 tablespoon Chinese chili paste. Add the paste to the saucepan with just a drizzle of avocado oil. Medium heat. Stir the paste around and let it fry for a couple of minutes. This will intensify that spicy garlic flavor and your place should already start smelling amazing. 1 cup veggie stock. There is a little bit of a kombu or seaweed flavor in that veggie stock. I'll also leave another link in the description box below for you to check that out, make that really easily at home, or you can just use a store-bought veggie stock, totally up to you. Give the broth a stir and bring to a boil. Depending on how you made the chili paste, this ramen can be quite spicy. You can always add a little sweetness or simply use half the chili paste. Turn the heat to medium-low, then give it a minute before adding in 1 cup of soy milk. Stir to combine. 1 tablespoon soy sauce. Boil 1 bundle of ramen noodles to package instructions. Keep heating the broth on medium-low. Boiling it may cause it to curdle. Stir the noodles occasionally. In this case, it took about 3 minutes to boil. Seems like a nice opportunity to use the official Young Man Cooking ceramic ramen bowls. You can find out more information or to order your very own in the link in the description box below or youngmancooking.com. Set the mushrooms aside when they're done and try not to snack on them too much. Pour the broth into the serving bowl. It's optional, but I'm pouring the broth through a sieve to keep it nice and clean. When the noodles are cooked, strain them out. If the noodles look starchy, rinse them out in some hot water. This will prevent the broth from becoming unpleasantly thick and goopy. Carefully place the noodles into the broth. Assemble the toppings, starting with those amazing mushrooms. Freshly chopped green onions. Place on top some chili threads. A sprinkle of white sesame seeds. Seems like there'll be a lot of links in today's episode description box. This is a chili oil made in a previous episode. This will add that delicious, smoky, spicy flavor and aroma. This ramen would not be complete without it. Definitely check out that link in the description box below. Make this really easily at home. A generous drizzle of that smoky, spicy chili oil. You can now enjoy this superb recipe with absolute confidence. This smells extraordinary. Depending on how spicy you made that quick Chinese chili paste, this could actually be quite spicy. That definitely has a lot of heat in it, but man, if you love spicy food, this is ramen heaven. Visually, a bowl of ramen literally looks like a painting. Those noodles are cooked perfectly. They have that al dente bite, and the king oyster mushrooms are incredible. There's that salty umami flavor, a little smokiness from the smoked paprika, but most importantly, it has those crispy edges that creates this really addictive, amazing texture. The broth is luscious, it's full-bodied, it's rich, also packs a lot of umami, and that chili oil takes it to the next level with that spicy, smoky aroma. The green onions just add a little pop of freshness, that beautiful pop of green color, and the chili threads add a little texture and a nice little visual appeal. With that paste made ahead of time, this bowl of ramen definitely beats getting takeout. There's not much that beats the fun and excitement of making beautiful, delicious food really easily at home. And if you love easy, delicious recipes like me, definitely check out or pick up your copy of one of the 4 Young Man Cooking cookbooks. There's a link in the description box below where you can check out the print or digital version, or you can check out the other Young Man Cooking merch like the ceramic ramen bowl or the plant-based sushi masterclass. As always, if you enjoyed today's episode, be sure to give it a thumbs up, leave a comment below. If you're not already subscribed with that notification bell clicked, remember to do so that we can cook together again in the next episode.